Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. A couple of days ago, it's been a while, somebody gave me an idea for a good hotkey. And just to let you know, if you draw two lines, and even though you come to there, Corel puts those two lines together. And if you look, it's just a curve on one layer. But if you draw two lines and then bring them together, not draw them together, but bring them together, they won't join. So you've got two objects selected. So he gave me a pretty good idea for a hotkey, and here it is. So if you select these two lines and then grab your shape tool, you can see the two nodes that need to be joined. So normally, without a hotkey, you would go to Windows, so there's one click, two clicks, go down and find it, three clicks, and you'd have that. Well, I made a hotkey for calling it J. So all I have to do is hit J, and that window comes up. So one keystroke, it has joined that node. So I apologize because I'd already had it done. So let's go in there and delete it. Let's go to options and customization, and we'll type in join. And this is the one right here, and I'm also going to show it. So let's delete that one. So now it won't work. So you have to grab them both with the pick tool and then the shape tool and then select. If I hit J now, nothing happens. Now, there are also, so we're going to go to Tools, Option, Customization. Whoop. There are also a couple of joins. So how do you know which one it is? Well, I kind of know by the picture that it's this one right here. This is when you're working with the Docker and you're going to join two nodes, and that would work probably too. And this one is join curve, but this is the one you want right here that has that loop. So if you don't know which one it is, the best way for me to tell people to find it is go to Tools, Options, Customization, and then go ahead and go, my computer's a little slow tonight, go ahead and go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and it highlighted it right there, and then just kind of back out of there. And you've got this one highlighted, type in a new shortcut key called J, assign it, and then you have to hit OK, and that makes it work. Now this one's already, so let's just draw a new line, new settle line. And this, not particularly just two lines, but anything you're trying to join. So let's take the 4-point cross and put it there. And then you have to select them both with your pick tool and then select them with your shape tool. And then I'm just going to hit J and bam, I'm done. Well, I didn't have it joinable. You can see right there, the arrows are off. So let me back up. Let me select this and hit J, and bam, now you got one, those lines are connected. So it's a pretty good hotkey. I've actually played around with trying to make it a macro where it would actually go in and press this button too, but I can't get it to work right now. That might be something in the future. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.